Welcome to my online class. Once again I am present here with chapter number 8 and the title of this chapter is the methane. The methane. This is third video of this chapter. And already I told in previous video of this chapter that I will explain about some remaining part of this story. Already I left one page of this chapter to explain. So first I am going to complete the explanation. I am going to complete the explanation of this chapter. Then we will do some other things also. Okay. So already have you remembered that after settled or fit different types of animals inside a methane, that methane is split into many pieces by sneezing of beer. And after splitting the methane, all animals went flying here and there. And where they landed? Where will be they landed? They have landed in their homes. For example, after split the methane into many pieces, the bear landed in a cave, and he went to sleep. Second thing, the fox landed in a den to sleep, and the rabbit landed in a hole. Okay, hole in the ground, and the all landed in hole in a tree. It means we can see that in easy way. After splitting the methane into many pieces, all animals landed on their own homes to sleep. They went to sleep in their perfect area, where their home. So students, and rabbit rabbit and mouse share their homes to sleep. It means, and finally they didn't sleep inside the methane. Last time they slept in their own homes. On the way, after that, on that young boy across on that side, the split methane under his feet, and when the young boy saw that, he was surprised because he thought that my how the methane grew so big, and why it all, मतलब कि जब लास्ट में क्या देखा कि स्प्लिट होने के बाद मीथेन छोटे छोटे टुकड़ों में बंटने के बाद सभी जितने भी एनिमल्स थे वो सभी अपने अपने जगह पे पहुंच गए सोने के लिए. लास्ट में दैट यंग बॉय और लिटिल बॉय, वह जो लिटिल बॉय था, उसे रास्ते पर ग्राउंड पर वो उसका फटा हुआ इनटू मेनी पीसेस, बहुत सारे टुकड़ों में फटा हुआ उसका मीथेन मिला. उसने देखा और वो सरप्राइज में आश्चर्यचकित हो गया कि मेरा ये जो मीथेन है वो इतना बड़ा कैसे होगा, ये इतने टुकड़ों में कैसे फट गया. तो दिस इज सो फाइनली एंड द स्टोरी. Okay students, this is the story. And now come to the theme. Already I told this is the story of the meeting. And in the second video, I have explained with the help of a prop. If you have remembered already, I have taken a gloves. So what is the difference between? First, I am going to explain about what is the difference between a mitten and a glove. What is difference between a mitten and a glove? Okay, so we can write the first difference is a glove and a gloves plural, gloves singular. A glove and separate finger. A glove has separate finger, but a mitten has only separate thumb. Separate thumb. Okay. The second one is second answer or second difference between a glove and a mitten is this is a main difference. Okay, this is a main difference. A glove has separate finger, but a mitten has only separate thumb. So, the second answer is glove allow us to glove allow us to use our hand better. But mitten gloves allow us to use our hand better, but mitten restricted the hand. So this is the two main difference between a gloves and a mitten. First difference is a glove has separate finger, but a mitten has only separate thumb. Second one, it means meaning. What is the meaning? Meaning means gloves में जो होते हैं देखते हैं कि फिंगर अलग अलग होते हैं, अलग अलग फिंगर होते हैं, थंब अलग पांचों फिंगर अलग अलग होते हैं, बट मीडियन हैज ओनली सेपरेट थंब. मीडियन जब होता है, मीडियन जो एक प्रकार का ग्लव्स है जिसमें सिर्फ अंगूठा अलग होता है, बाकी ये सभी एक साथ होते हैं, जैसे लाइक बॉक्सिंग ग्लव्स और बॉक्सिंग. ओके, यस बॉक्सिंग ग्लव्स. सेकंड वन इज ग्लव्स allow us to use our hand better, but maintain restrict our hand. हम लोग देखते हैं जब हम लोग ग्लव पहनते हैं तो ये फिंगर क्या होता है, हम लोग का फ्री रहता है, तो आसानी से हम किसी भी चीज को ग्लव पहन के भी हम होल्ड कर सकते हैं, उठा सकते हैं. वी कैन इजीली होल्ड एनीथिंग with our hand when we wear gloves, but we can't hold anything while we are wearing what? Mitten, because mitten restrict our hands. Mitten क्या करता है, इसमें सिर्फ अंगूठा लग होता है, ये तो एक साथ होता है, तो हम किसी चीज को आसानी से पकड़ नहीं सकते उसको पहन। तो दिस इज द मेन difference. Okay students, so in this video now this story is completed and I have explained about difference between these two. Okay, thank you.